Nautilus is known for its unusually long load times. It takes so long. You can make an espresso in the time it takes to load. So Nautilus has loaded up. We are ready to go. Yeah, man, there it is. The first thing I'm going to do is a little bit of setup. Just going to do a bit of housekeeping, get your navigation, all those quick access keys. We're just going to get that set up first. Let's get to work, man. This is the screen you're going to be greeted with pretty much every time you start up your Nautilus. And the first thing I want to do is get my workflow sorted. I'm going to hit the mode button, then I'm going to hit the global icon over there. Okay, so let's get your quick access mode going. This is my preferred quick access mode. I set it to work this way. Set list is assigned to button A. Button B is page jump. It goes to program mode, and then C is also a page jump. It goes to combination mode. D is a page jump. It goes to sequencer mode. E allows you to select the category that you're in, and then we've got F, which is just your command right. So I'm going to show you how I did it. I would go to mode, and then it will take you to the screen. Let's hit set list. We're going to hold down shift, press A, and it's going to ask you if you want to write to that particular state, and then we're going to say okay. So that dialog box is checked, sorted out. We're going to go back to mode, and you're going to hit program, and then you're going to hold down shift, and you're going to hit B. So no matter where you are, whenever you hit that button, it's going to jump there for you. Whether you are in sampling mode, if you hit button A, it takes you there. If you're in global mode and you hit button A, it takes you back to set list mode. Wherever you are, whatever mode you're in, you can now hit button B, takes you to program mode. So we're going to go to combination mode, hold down shift, press C, everything's the same. Check the dialog box. You can trust it, but always just check it for your own discipline. Set list mode to A, program mode to B, combination mode to C. So those are assigned, and then sequencer mode. Going to hit sequencer mode, and we're going to hold shift, and we're going to assign that to D. So you don't have to use my layout. I just wanted it that way because of my preferred workflow. You can assign your own workflow to your Nautilus, and that's kind of cool. So let's just go to mode again, go to global, let's hit that little edit icon, and then we're going to select a function. I want button E to take me to sound browse, and to select by category, because that's the one I use the most. So now I have those 5 set up, and then because we are here, we might as well just add the function page menu command right, make sure that it's on that one if you want to use this workflow. And then we can now immediately use our settings. Now that your navigation has been sorted out, right? Ooh, see, it doesn't work in sequencer mode, and selecting by category doesn't work in setlist mode. It does, however, work in program mode, and it does work in combination mode. Now, let's set up your pedals to use with Nautilus. So if you're first time Korg user and you've maybe come from a different brand where you've used positive polarity pedals, or damper pedal for that matter, you will likely have to change the polarity if you don't have a switch on your pedal. So you're going to go to global mode. In basic, you're going to hit page. Then you're going to go to controller scales, and then you're going to hit that damper polarity button over there, and you can then change it to positive. You can do the same for the foot switch polarity if that is your preferred workflow. So that is pretty much your standard. You can then hit the right button, press OK, and you'll now have a damper pedal that works as per normal.